Tyra? You want a treat? Yeah? Want 2 treats?
I'm the alpha, the omega, everything in between.
Ride with the mob, Allah, check to a knee.
No one prepares you for how much you're gonna love these little shits. I clean your poop. You scratch me like crazy, but I just love you so much.
Show your dog as a puppy versus now.
People ask me all the time, what breed is your dog? And I tell them each and every time, he's a purebred good boy, the first ever.
Where's the ugly bag? Back there. Yes, back there. You see it? Turn around. Yes, there it is.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
I'm sleeping. Don't bother me. I said don't. You're bugging me. You're gonna pay for this when you're asleep. Get that camera out of my face.
Your dog is happy. A happy dog will roll on their back and expose their belly to you. This is a sign that they are happy and trusting of you. In fact, a dog that initiates physical contact, such as bumping up against you, putting their head in your hand, or pawing at you, is expressing their happiness and their desire to be with you. Zoomies are short bursts of energy your dog just can't seem to control. Researchers have found only happy, healthy dogs get the zoomies. So if your dog is doing the zoomies, then you are doing everything right. Healthy, happy adult dogs usually sleep for up to 16 hours a day. If your dog is not sleeping that much, this could be a sign of stress. When a dog is happy, their eyes will be a normal, soft shape. Their gaze will be relaxed and gentle, and they will blink often.